Hello friends and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. We are going to tell you about the benefits of
Blueberries.
Before we proceed further, I'd request you to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos and their notifications, which will boost us to do more videos. If at all you want to dislike our videos, first see all our videos and then tell the reason to dislike so that we can improve in our next videos. Let's proceed further.
Blueberry. Blueberries are sweet, nutritious, and widely popular among fruit lovers. Often labeled as superfood, they are low in calories and incredibly good for health. Benefits of blueberries: strengthen bones. Blueberries are rich in calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, manganese, zinc, and vitamin K, which help to improve bone health. They also increase bone density and elasticity, and they contribute in maintaining the bone structure. Skincare. Anthocyanin in blueberries is responsible for preventing oxidative DNA damage, while the abundance of vitamin C is a big factor in building collagen. This is why they prevent wrinkles, age spots, and acne. Additionally, they also prevent skin damage caused by dust, pollution, smoke, and UV rays. Lower bad cholesterol. Research suggests that the high fiber content and abundant antioxidants in blueberries help dissolve the LDL, that is, bad cholesterol. This makes them an ideal dietary supplement to cure many heart diseases, while it is also helpful in strengthening the cardiac muscles. They also contain potassium, calcium, and magnesium, which helps in reducing the blood pressure. Treat diabetes. Blueberry juice and extract improves insulin sensitivity. Blueberry is a high fiber food that is an essential part of the diabetic diet and helps lower the blood sugar levels. A research by Dr. Joanne Manson, a professor of medicine, Harvard Medical School, proves that consumption of berries is associated with lower risk of type 2 diabetes. Protect heart health. Blueberries help in preventing atherosclerosis, heart attacks, and strokes. This is due to the presence of fiber, anthocyanin, potassium, folate, vitamin B6, and vitamin C in them. Fiber and anthocyanin reduce cholesterol, improve blood fat, and prevent clogging of arteries. Vitamin B6 and folate prevent blood vessel damage by inhibiting homocysteine buildup, and potassium regulates the working of heart muscles. Prevent cancer. According to a report published by Dr. Lynn S. Adams, Cheryl Fung, et al. Of Division Tumor Cell Biology, Beckman Research Institute of the City of Hope, CA, in the Cancer Research Journal, blueberries have anti-cancer properties. The results of their studies suggest that the oral intake of blueberries could be a key component of a long-term cancer prevention strategy. A team of American researchers published a report in the Nutrition and Cancer journals stating that it contains certain compounds like pterostilbene, an excellent remedy for colon and liver cancer, and ellagic acid. These two, in harmony with the anthocyanin and other antioxidants like vitamin C and copper, have the potential to prevent cancer. Improve brain function. The vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients in blueberries help heal nervous disorders amongst children in the age group of 7 to 10 years by preventing the degeneration and death of neurons, suggests a study published in European Journal of Nutrition by White AR. These essential nutrients also protect brain cells and help restore the health of central nervous system. The berries can lower your risk of suffering from disorders like Alzheimer's disease to a great extent. According to a study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, they can even heal the damaged brain cells and neuron tissues to keep your memory sharp. Weight loss. The high fiber content present in them promotes digestion and weight loss. They also promote satiety, help you feel full, and reduce belly fat. 1 cup of blueberries contains only 15 grams of carbohydrates and 84 calories. Thus, frozen or dried blueberries are a great low-calorie snack. Rich in antioxidants. The antioxidants, along with other phytonutrients and flavonoids present in blueberries, are responsible for the free radicals scavenging activity in the body. The group of flavonoids, in particular anthocyanin, prevents the body from all types of damage due to free radicals. A number of studies published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry established that high amounts of antioxidants are beneficial to the body in a number of ways. This includes cellular structure damage, DNA damage, and early aging. Soothe inflammation. The antioxidants in blueberries have anti-inflammatory properties. They reduce the activity of markers of inflammation. These antioxidants may help in preventing chronic inflammatory diseases. Other uses. Other benefits of blackberries include antidepressant. Flavonoid-rich wild blueberries help to enhance the mood and act as an effective antidepressant. Promote digestion. The roughage, that is fiber, present in blueberries prevent constipation. Also, the vitamins, sodium, copper, fructose, and acids improve digestion by stimulating secretion of correct gastric and digestive juices. This helps the food to move smoothly through the gastrointestinal system. Treat urinary tract infection. Blueberries can kill bacterial colonies like E. coli, which are responsible for the urinary tract infection. They have a compound formed of large polymer-like molecules, which inhibits the growth of such bacteria. They also have certain antibiotic properties, which add to this effect. So far, this compound has only been found in cranberries and blueberries. Eye care. Blueberries can prevent or delay all age-related ocular problems due to their antioxidant properties. These include macular degeneration, cataracts, myopia, and hypermetropia, dryness, as well as infections pertaining the retina. They contain special antioxidants called carotenoids, that is lutein and zeaxanthin, etc. Flavonoids like rutin, resveratrol, and quercetin, and other antioxidant compounds, which are very beneficial for ocular health. Boost immunity. Antioxidants in blueberries can boost your immune system and prevent infections. Once your immune system is strong, you won't catch colds, fever, pox, and countless other communicable diseases spread by bacteria and viruses. Reduces muscle damage. Blueberries help to reduce the muscle soreness and fatigue that occurs after a strenuous exercise or activity. They also help in muscle regeneration. This is confirmed by a study published in the Journal of International Society of Sports Nutrition. Hair care. They help to promote hair growth. Mix blueberries and olive oil, apply the blend to your hair and roots, and rinse with warm water to enhance your hair growth. Alleviate IBS. Blueberry husks consumed along with probiotics show potent anti-inflammatory properties, which can treat inflammatory bowel syndrome (IBS), and Crohn's disease. They can alleviate symptoms such as bleeding and pain caused by ulcerative colitis. Promote detoxification. Anthocyanin in blueberries help to detoxify heavy metals from the body, including lead, mercury, cadmium, and arsenic. Increase lifespan. Polyphenols and resveratrol found in blueberries help to increase the longevity and decrease the adverse effects linked with aging. They also activate the genes involved in anti-aging and decreasing brain function decline. Types. There are 5 major types of blueberries: low bush, northern high bush, southern high bush, rabbit eye, half high.